I've definitely never skied a dress.
That makes two of us.
First time, huh?
Open the gate for the Lady of Liberty. Open the gate. Open sesame. Well, you are a woman of the people. You do not judge. You are no snow snob. Whether it is power slush, she is ready to rip.
That's hilarious.
Shoo! Oh. Yeah, it's been 250 years, but we're finally making it official.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. He finally said, you know.
I was done with the bachelor life. I was like, I gotta tie this up.
I don't know why I waited so long, but I really couldn't move. So what was
Yeah,
I
you
supposed
know,
to
she
do?
was stuck.
What was it?
She was stuck.
You're so funny.
Okay, ready?
Shoo! Ah! No, for sure.
It's a vibe.
The fair lady. Shoo!